breaks down because Isaac Newton made a fatal mistake, which was he assumed that gravity was instantaneous. So as soon as the string was cut between the sun and earth, no, there's no string between the sun and earth. But imagine if you picture a bucket, if I'm swinging a bucket around on the end of a rope and someone cuts the string, the bucket will fly off in a straight line, instantaneously. And Isaac Newton assumed the same thing of gravity, and that's what the planets would do. But Albert Einstein said, but wait a minute, the speed limit of space is the speed of light. So there's a distance between the sun and the earth. How could it be that the force of gravity could instantaneously affect the motion of Earth? It had to have some other mechanism because nothing exceeds the speed of light. And based on the distance to the sun and the speed of light, the time is about 8 minutes. The speed of light, if you want to play around with the numbers, is 300,000 kilometers per second. Now that's a quick speed. That's rounded. But one of the nice things about space is you can round a lot. How far away is Betelgeuse? Oh, 500 or 600 light years. Well, wait a minute. A light year is how far light travels in a year. Well, at 300,000 kilometers per second, how many kilometers is that? Well, I can tell you. It's around 10 trillion. That's 10 million kilometers. So and if you ask the physicist, well, actually it's 9.46, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, but can we be okay with 10? Let's not worry about the 9.46. So how far away is Betelgeuse? It's 500 or 600 light years. So 500 times 10 trillion would be 5,000 trillion kilometers. Now this is a long, long ways. In fact, it's so long that at the speed of light, it will take you 500 years to travel. That sort of a distance. These are magnificent numbers. They demand that you sort of pause and think for a second. The speed of light will get you around the planet 7.5 times in 1 second. Imagine. In the snap of a finger, you'll travel the circumference of Earth 7.5 times. This is a phenomenal speed. And so, but the distances are also phenomenal. It's for fun. The moon, when you look at the moon, it's 2 seconds away. 2 seconds. In fact, I'm seeing all of you as you were when you were much younger. Because between you and I, there's also a distance. So interestingly enough, at a distance of 2 meters, which is approximately the distance between you and I right now, the light coming from whatever light source there is strikes your face, comes to my eyes, and that distance of 2 meters, it will take about 1 picosecond to travel. So I'm seeing you as you were 1 picosecond ago. Probably haven't changed too much.